we would like to express our sincere sympathies and condolences to the family of the great Labisarisman, Honorable Rosalio Yoyong D. Martirez. Rosalio D. Martirez, born September 9, 1946, also known as Yoyong Martirez, is a former Filipino basketball player. He played for San Miguel in the Manila Industrial and Commercial Athletic Association, which soon became the Philippine Basketball Association, PBA. Martirez also appeared at the Olympic Games as a member of the country's national basketball team. In 1995, he joined politics and served as city councilor and vice mayor of Pasig City. As the vice mayor, he facilitated the institutionalization of the Sisterhood Agreement between the City of Pasig and the Municipality of Labisares in 2012. Honorable Martirez used to live in Labisares, Northern Samar. His mother is Lolita Martirez and his father, Yu Lu Di, a Chinese trader. His family used to have a store in the 1950s at the central commercial area of Labisares, specifically where the Breadpoint Bakery now stands, where he spent most of his childhood. The historic Labisares Auditorium was where he first learned to play the basketball. His family later migrated to Tacloban and then to Cebu, where he continued with his studies and initially made his name in track and field in the campus, which led him to Palarong Pambansa at the age of 13, and then later as basketball player, paving his way to stardom in the basketball court. He played for San Miguel team in his entire basketball career. In 1972, he joined the Philippine squad in the 1972 Olympic Games, which made him a certified Olympian, in which the Philippines landed at the 7th place. In 1974, the Philippine squad joined FIBA, where the Philippines placed 13th in the overall. He joined the Kings of the Court of the 70s with the likes of Robert Jaworski, William Box Adornado, Freddie Webb, Narciso Bernardo, and many more. In 1988, he was cast in the movies Love Letters and Herbert Bautista's box office hit Jackie Chan. He was also part of the cast of one of the longest running television show, Dick Soto's OK Ka Fairy Call, in the late 80s and 90s. He was also a constant companion of Tito, Dick, and Joey in hit movies Tarzan 2 and 3, OK Ka Fairy Call, Hindi Pa Tapos Ang Laban Darling, Enting and the Shouting Kid, Isang Kahit Isang Tuka, Dali Ka Na, Mami Ka Pa, and other unforgettable box office hits. All in all, he was part of 24 movies. A leader, an Olympian, an actor, a family man, the most outstanding Labisarisman in the year 2012, Honorable Rosalio Yoyong Martirez. And now let us pause for a moment of solemn prayer dedicated to our fellow Labisarisman, Honorable Yoyong Martirez, whose legacy of dedicated service and enduring faith in God will continue to inspire his fellow Labisarisman for generations.